Eriksen will have vital medical exam next month on potential return. Christian Eriksen faces a pivotal medical examination in Denmark next month which will determine whether the Inter Milan midfielder can return to the game, according to reports. The 29-year-old collapsed during Denmark's opening Euro 2020 match with Finland in Copenhagen after suffering a cardiac arrest before being revived on the pitch via urgent CPR treatment. After he was stabilized upon reaching hospital on the night of the incident, Eriksen was fitted with an implantable cardioverter defibrillator (ICD) in his chest to regulate his heartbeat, but his career in football has been plunged into doubt. Italian law states that no person can play sport at any level if they have any significant heart abnormalities, with the country's football governing body revealing in July that Eriksen would need the ICD removed in order to play again. Eriksen returned to Inter's training ground last month for the first time since his cardiac arrest to undergo medical checks, with the Italian champions revealing the player is in excellent physical and mental condition. And according to Gazzetta dello Sport, Eriksen will have a checkup in a month's time to determine whether the ICD, which sends an electrical pulse to correct irregular rhythms, must stay permanently in his chest or can be removed. The report says the Danish doctors are in constant communication with the Inter Milan medical team over whether the player, who is relaxing with his family in Milan, could return to training. Eriksen could reportedly take part in individual training and even play football in a Danish sports facility while he waits for the results in a bid to stay fit should he be granted permission to return to Italy. The midfielder went to ground unchallenged midway through the match on June 12 in Copenhagen and received immediate CPR treatment from medical staff. The match was suspended just after 6 p.m. that evening and Eriksen was seen sitting upright whilst being stretchered off with an oxygen mask on his mouth just minutes later. He was admitted to hospital before the Danish FA confirmed that he was awake and conscious, while his agent Michael Schutz revealed later that evening that he was able to speak and talk whilst receiving more checks. The Denmark players then decided to finish off the match after hearing the news of Eriksen's recovery. Eriksen was released from hospital on June 18 after 6 days of hospital treatment, which saw him being fitted with the ICD. Italian FA's Technical Scientific Committee member Francesco Bracconaro revealed the removal of the defibrillator would demonstrate Eriksen has no further heart problems, hence why the meeting in Denmark next month is so vital. Bracconaro told Radio Kiss Kiss in July, Christian Eriksen cannot be given the all-clear to play in Italy. If the player has the defibrillator removed, therefore confirming the pathology can be resolved, then he can return to play for Inter. Danish team Dr. Morten Boesen, who helped treat Eriksen after his collapse, said after the player's release from hospital on June 18, this device is necessary after a cardiac attack due to rhythm disturbances. Christian has accepted the solution and the plan has been confirmed by specialists nationally and internationally who all recommend the same treatment. In August, Eriksen touched base with Inter for the first time since his ordeal, with the Italians releasing an image of the Dane at their Suning training center on Wednesday before providing an update on Eriksen's well-being. The club's statement read, "This morning Christian Eriksen went to the Suning training center in Appiano Gentile." The Danish midfielder met the club directors, the coach, teammates and all of the staff present. Eriksen is doing well, and he is in excellent physical and mental shape. Eriksen will follow the recovery program proposed by the Danish doctors in Copenhagen, who will coordinate all the clinical follow-up, always keeping the medical staff of FC Internazionale Milano informed. The Serie A champions also released a video of Eriksen being greeted by his teammates upon his return to Milan. The Dane was seen hugging Lautaro Martinez, Milan